With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello. So question says that the quantum number of 4 electrons are given below, right? So there are the 4 quantum numbers have a given data. So we have to tell that the correct order of their increasing energy will be, right? So we have to tell the correct order of their increasing energy, right? So before doing this question, we have to understand some basic concept. So the energy increases as the principal quantum number increases, right? So I can say that energy increases as I can say that energy increases as the value of n as n increases, right? As n increases, right? So this is point number one, right? So and for the value of L, right? So if the value of L comes out to be 0, 1, 2, 3, right? So the value of subcell comes for 0, the value of subcell is S, right? S subcell, and the for 1 it is P, and for 2 it is D, and for 3 it is F, right? So this is the value, right? So and for calculating the energy we have to use n plus L rule, right? So for calculating the energy, for calculating energy, right? So for calculating energy we have to use n plus L rule, right? N plus L rule, this is the formula, right? So let's try to solve the question. Question says that n is equal to 4, right? So if I'm talking about the first part, right? So if I'm talking about the first part, n is equal to 4 and L is equal to 2, right? So n is equals to 4, right? So for n is equals to 4 and L is equals to 2, right? So it comes out to be n plus L, right? So the value becomes, so this is right. So I can write here clearly n is equals to 2, right? And L is equals to also 2, right? So the value of L is equals to 2, right? So note it is 2, it is 2, right? So n is equals to 4 and L is equals to 2, right? So this is the correct, right? So for this, according to this rule, the energy comes out to be 6, right? So 4 plus 2, the energy comes out to be 6, right? And for the second part, n is equals to 3, n is equals to 3, and L is equals to 4, and L is equals to 2, right? So not 4, L is equals to 2. For this, the value comes out to be 3 plus 2, right? So 3 plus 2, it comes out to be 5, right? It comes out to be 5, right? And for the third, the value of n is equals to 4, right? And the value of L is equals to 1, right? For this, the energy is 4 plus 1, 4 plus 1, it comes out to be 5, right? So it comes out to be 5, right? So it comes out to be 5, right? And if I talk about the fourth one, the value of n is equals to 3, the value of n is equals to 3, right? So value of n is equals to 3, and the value of L is equals to 1, right? So for this, the energy comes out to be 3 plus 1, 3 plus 1, that is equals to 4, right? That is equals to 4, right? So from this data, I can see that the lowest energy will be of this one, right? And the highest value of this one, right? But in this case, the second and third has a same value for energy, right? So for this, we have to use the same basic concept. Here we can get the same value of energy but by using just this rule, n plus L rule. So we have to give the preference of value n, right? So lower n will have a lower energy and higher n will have a higher energy, right? So I can say this. So this is, if I write for this, so the fourth one, right? So the first one will be, I can write as n is equal to 4 and L is equal to 2, right? So I can say that this will be 4D, and n is equal to 3, L is equal to, so this is 3D, right? And this is 4P, and this is also 3P, right? So I can say this, the energy order will be look like this. The energy order will be look like this. 3p has a lowest energy, and after this you can say that 3d has a highest energy, higher energy than 3p, and after this 4p, right? And after this 4d, right? So, or you can say that fourth one, right? So I can say that the fourth one, or I can say this, the fourth one has the highest, lowest energy, fourth, then second, then third, and then first. This will be the order of increasing order of energy, right? So now let's check the option. Options are fourth, right? So fourth is the last, right? So in this way, I can say this, our option B and D cancel out, right? So fourth, right? And second, and third, right? So third, and last, there's a first option, right? So in this way, I can say option C will be the correct answer, right? And option A will be the wrong answer, right? So now we are left with option C, that is the correct answer. And I can say this, the 4D orbital has the highest energy, right? So 4D orbital has the highest energy, and 3p orbital has a lowest energy, and this will be the order, right? And so option C will be the correct answer, right? So hope this answered your question. So thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.